Streetlights blur a lonely glow. Another night, moving slow. Your ghost still dances in my head. Words unsaid, a love unled. This melancholic rhythm starts to play, chasing shadows of yesterday. Fading echoes in the quiet hum of a love that's gone, a heart undone. Every beat, a memory sigh, underneath this lonely sky. Fading echoes, a bittersweet refrain, whispering your name through the falling rain. Smooth vocals carry through the air, a heavy feeling hard to bear. I try to move on, try to forget, but every melody brings regret. The acoustic strings, a gentle plea for a love that used to be. Fading echoes in the quiet hum of a love that's gone, a heart undone. Every beat, a memory sigh, underneath this lonely sky. Fading echoes, a bittersweet refrain, whispering your name through the falling rain. Electronic pulses, a distant thrum, remind me of where we've become. Two separate paths, a broken line, but your presence lingers intertwined. I search for solace in the sun, but only echoes can be found. Fading echoes in the quiet hum of a love that's gone, a heart undone. Every beat, a memory sigh, underneath this lonely sky. Fading echoes, a bittersweet